Walang isyo para kay WBO flyweight champion Brian Viloria ang paglundag sa kabilang bakod ng kanyang long-time trainer na si Robert Garcia. May ilang taon ding nagsama sina Viloria at Garcia bilang training partner. Pero matapos na lumipat sa wildcard game ang tinaguriang The Hawaiian Punch, kinuha ni Mexican Hernan Tyson Marquez ang serbisyo ng reigning trainer of the year. Dahil dito, isa si sports radio anchorman Renato Lirio sa mga nagpahayag ng pangamba ukol sa natural scouting report na hawak ng Marquez Camp. Subalit ayon kay Viloria, ibang-iba na ang kanyang fighting stance ngayon kumpara nung araw na ginagabayan pa siya ng Mexican cornerman.
No, I think I'm a completely different fighter from 2 years ago when I was with Roberto Garcia. So if they think that they know my, know any weaknesses or whatnot, I think I've corrected some of those weaknesses and through training camp, and I learned a lot through the last couple of years, and with the fights that I had, you just have to train hard. You have to train hard, prepare yourself, and Roberto's not the one that's going to be fighting me in there. It's going to be Tyson Marquez. So I hope he's prepared himself well because I've had a great camp and I'm ready to go.
Ipinagmalaki rin ni Viloria na isa ang preparasyon niya kay Marquez sa pinakamabigat sa kanyang boxing career. Sa teleconference na isinagawa ng ilang Pinoy boxing scribes, inamin ni Viloria na Agosto pa lamang ay nagsusunog na siya ng taba sa loob ng gym. Ito'y dahil dapat sana ay noong pang Setyembre naganap ang salpukan nila ni Marquez kung hindi lamang nagkaroon ng problema sa venue. Pero sa halip na maging balakid, ginamit ni Viloria ang pagkakataon para mas lalo pang hasain ang kanyang style. Hindi rin naiwasan ni Viloria na ikumpara ang estilo ni Marquez sa kanyang mga previous knockout victims na sina Omar Nino Romero at Giovanni Segura.
Yeah, he's gonna be there. I don't think he moves a lot like, I think Omar Nino moves a lot more than Tyson. Tyson tends to rely on his power a bit, and he likes to counter, so I'm going to have to watch that. He likes to throw uppercuts also and puts his opponents on the ropes like Segura. So they have similarities in terms of that, that style. But I think I'm a lot faster than Tyson. I think he's going to feel my power, and I think he's going to think twice to try to engage in the middle of the ring.
Sa Huwebes ay muling maghaharap sina Viloria at Marquez sa final press conference ng kanilang fight card bago ang official weigh-in sa Sabado. Parehong eksklusibo sa ibabaw ng ring ang dalawang protagonists, kung kaya't marami ang umaasa ng knockout sa araw ng kanilang bakbakan sa darating na linggo. Para sa PTV Sports, Flor Perez, Telebisyon ng Bayan.